I'm Alan Maldonado, currently starring opposite Tracy Morgan in the new hit show. We gonna already claim it, The Last OG. Well, I'm from Rialto, California, which is like 60 miles east of Los Angeles. You know, had the crazy idea to be an actor at the age of 17. You know, left Rialto and ventured off in Los Angeles, and you know, did the whole struggling actor thing, and eventually wound up on Young and the Restless, and that was like my first big break. That got cut short because of, I think David mentioned on stage, I got hit by a drunk driver. You know, took me out of the game. I had to rebuild everything. And as a result of that, I know how to fall down and get back up. Meaning that no matter what comes up against me and the different obstacles that I've had in my career, I've always been able to pick myself up from, and finally getting to this point where now, you know, everything is, you know, going very well with shows and movies, and I'm very excited with how everything is going. I think Issa Rae said it the best. You know, people try to, you know, build relationships going up, you know, but a lot of times, you know, going lateral is great. Meaning that the people that, like-minded individuals that are striving, you know, for success, you would tend to get more help and understanding from these individuals that help build your dream, because you're building it together. And on the way, you're going to meet individuals that are, you know, doing things on a different level than you. But, you know, getting relationships laterally is, you know, I think, one of the most important things that you can do, because you build the network of individuals that can help you create and help create your own momentum for these other individuals on other levels to get, you know, come to their attention. So that's my biggest advice. Everybody Digital is the, you know, the first short film app. It's we launched in October, and we've been quickly dubbed the short film version of Netflix, which is exciting, you know, because hopefully we can get that, build that Netflix type of brand. But that's the goal. That's the goal, is to be able to bring a concentrated focus on short films. I feel it's a genre that's been overlooked and unappreciated throughout the years, being that all of the short form media is stemmed from short films. All of these 1-minute clips that you see, and those are short films, you know, and back in the day when features, you know, had short films before, they were like 1 minute, 2 minutes. So being able to tell a story in this short amount of time it's an art. It's an art to be able to tell a riveting story in 5 minutes. Where, you know, if you have an hour and 45 minutes, I think that's a bit easier. I think that's a bit easier. So with the short film app, it's a platform to gain exposure for these individuals. A lot of films, people have ended their short film festival run and no longer have any distribution. And we want to resurrect those films, because we have films that are like 10 years old that are incredible, that the masses haven't been able to see. And we're giving that opportunity back to our filmmakers. With short films, what I do love is that I'm able to help so many more people with short films, being that there's a lot less politics in it. There's a lot less, you know, on the business side of things. You tend to get back to the love. You tend to get back to the roots of it all. Like, wow, this is why you make film. This is to tell a great story and get powerful performances rather than going for a bottom line. And that's what I truly love about short films. Hey, what's up? It's Alan Everywhere Maldonado. I'm a writer, I'm a director, I'm a producer, I'm a craft service guy. I am Stage 32.